Hi there, Carl Massy. Welcome to this short presentation where I show you the back end of the Life Masterclass online workshop / seminar, which is one of the favourite offerings that I've delivered over the last 5 years. I've done seminars in Bali, Australia, Germany, all based on this Life Masterclass format. I generally run a Friday night, all day Saturday, all day Sunday. So that's how I've set up the online program. So you can do it all at once like that over a weekend. Plenty of stuff to do and you need to give yourself the full weekend. Or I recommend in here now how to complete the seminar, actually stretching it over about 4 or 5 weeks. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of content there, processing the past, getting clear of the future, optimizing the present, wrapping up, next steps, a lot of bonus resources, access to my audio book. So a lot of amazing, awesome content there. So I highly recommend this, of course. And with it, as I said before, a full 100% money back guarantee. If you get into it and you feel that it's not for you, no questions asked, I'll sort you out with a refund. I just wanted to show you like the quality of the platform we're using. Kajabi is a fantastic platform. As you can see there, the video presentation talking about the next subjects to come, next category you can click down to. If there's any downloads associated with the presentation there, any text related to it, like it really is a fantastic program. So know that the delivery of it is top end. And the amount of content there is based on 20 plus years of my experience, whether that's from the military, consulting around the world, my neuro-linguistics program, hypnotherapy, coaching clients for the last 14 years, and so many other things that go with it. I share everything I know with you. So I strongly encourage you to check the program out. No risk, like I said, you can ask for your money back if it's not for you, but I don't think that's going to happen because I've had so many people go through this program and get so many amazing results. I know the same thing can happen for you. A greater sense of clarity about the future, greater tools about how to move through life in a more optimized, effective, efficient, results-focused way, and also processing the past so you're not sort of losing energy along the way and it frees up not only mental energy, psychological energy, but allows you again to get more clearer about being fully in this present moment. So do check it out. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. But I look forward to serving you with the Life Masterclass shortly. Wherever you are on this beautiful, gorgeous planet of ours, I hope that you have an absolutely fantastic day and take care.